Hi, welcome beautiful people. Today I'm going to tell you about the most important Google ranking factors that a beginner should know. As you might know that Google uses about 200 plus factors to rank a website. But apparently it doesn't matter how accurate this number is. Keep in mind that not all these factors are equally important. Some are indeed a must-haves, but others might not have much of difference in your market. Many you don't even have much direct to influence on. But yes, some of them are really very important, so you have to focus on those. So, have you already launched a website, or you have previously running a website? You only have to focus on the SEO of your website. So you might be wondering that what are the important Google ranking factors. So in this video I am going to tell you about the major ranking factors that can take your website to the number 1 in the SERP of Google. The number 1 in the list is on-page factors. So the way your page is optimized have the most profound effects on its ranking. So later on I will cover this on-page SEO factors. So let's move on to the second one. At number 2, the website factors. These factors include sitemap, domain trust, server location, mobile optimized websites, and Google Search Console integration. At number 3, we have off-page factors. When ranking your pages, Google looks at factors outside of your website as well. Here are some of the key ones. The number of linking domains, the number of linking pages, domain authority, link relevancy, authority of linking domain, links from the home page, and diversity of links. So at number 4 in our SEO list, it's domain factors. So lastly, your domain can affect your ranking as well. Some of the domain signals aren't as strong as they used to be. There are few things worth paying attention to. The number 1 is domain registration length, domain history, and your TLD, which is extension. So now you might be thinking that what's going on? Yeah, sure, you are right. You have to find the videos in detail on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to like, comment and do subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.